Just come around here.
Okay. Stiff everywhere, Jimmy.
Ah, no problem. I don't know. We have Ireland here. Play for
Munster
Ireland. You know, he came in just to maintain, to do a nice realignment, full body realignment.
Old age.
Oh, you're not old man. You know, he played for Ireland. I remember 2003 when he injured. Wow, that was a nasty injury.
It was a nasty.
Wow. Let me see. We'll do a nice job here. Okay.
This is the
Yeah,
bad
you
shoulder.
see the shoulder. It's still annoying you, or it's okay
It's
now?
okay.
It's okay,
Sometimes
that's good,
when I
that's
sleep on it, it gets stiff. It's
Yeah,
no rotation.
No rotation, yeah. It's a different. I can see it. That's it. Stop. Oh. Look at that. And how you heard about us?
I saw you online on Instagram. Yeah. I get you lots of business from February.
Your friend didn't show up today, but next time he'll be here.
Yeah, he got nervous. He got
nervous. That's okay, no problem, no problem. There you go. There
Nice
you
big
go.
one.
Wow.
Yeah, when I played, I got lots of cracks.
Cross fingers together, please. Elbow close. Fall back at it. There you go. There you
Oh,
go.
that's a big one.
Ah, yes. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Put your hands here, please, together. On your, yeah.
Okay.
Elbow, push it back a bit. Hard. That's it. There, that was easy. That was very easy. Alan, face down here, please. One second. Get 100%.
That's okay.
I'm okay. I like to be sure nothing is. Put your arm right here, Alan. Wow, stiff.
Oh, very stiff.
Wow. Hey, that's the one. Lift them up, Chris. Lift them up. That's it.
Leg up in the air again.
Hey, that's a good one. Open the legs wide you can.
Okay.
Open, wide. Push them apart. Hey,
Left leg.
go. There you go. Ah, yeah. See. Lie on your side, please. Turn on your side. Bring the hips a little closer out.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
Hold your fingers like this. Okay. We'll do the rest for you.
There you go. Perfect. No,
Easy.
no problem.
I'm very lucky. I have two men treat me.
Two in one.
Just on time.
There you go. What do you do with the shoulder? Chest.
Hold my wrist.
Please come in. That's it. That's the one. That's it. That was a cool one there. Let me see here. That's the one. That's it. There you go. That's the one.
A little bit stiff.
This feels it. That's it. Oh, that's it. Lynch. Okay. That's it. That's it. Good. That's it. That's it. Wow. Put back in change shoulder, maybe? Or something like that, like that, but
Oh, Jesus.
shoe jam,
Drop. That's okay. That's okay.
Good.
Nearly finished, don't worry.
Oh, there's no panic.
So don't bite your tongue. Keep them up close.
Hold it.
Oh, Jesus. Wow.
That was a big one.
That was very big. Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, I can
Yeah,
feel that all the way down.
Yes, I'll do the lower back in a different way now.
Wow.
We get that sure 100%.
Let that settle
So,
in.
yeah, stay.
Yeah, that was a big
That
crack.
was a good one.
Lots of cracks.
Ah, yes.
Decompress the spine
Decompress
there.
the spine. From C1 go to T12. We do that with the L1 and S1. Try to open the lumbar spine in a different way.
I felt it all the way down.
Yeah, that's good. That may work all.
Yeah.
Sometimes stay in the middle. Okay, let's get the camera.
That's your favourite word, Jimmy. Wow. It's my favourite word now as well. Wow. Wow.
That's the one.
That was a big wow.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Say no overdue.
That's it. Sit up, please. Let's go do one more. But Richie?
Yeah.
He will do a different way.
Okay.
It's strong with this one.
Fall back.
The grip. Flow.
Legs up.
Legs up. That's it.
Everything.
Wow.
That's the devil. Do this way now. Yeah.
I felt that one right down there as well.
Yeah, but that isn't because we know we work with C1 and S1 has to be twice pulled. And we know that perfect. Happy days. That's a good one. Ah, yeah.
Even my shoulder feels looser.
Stand up. Check. Happy days. Walk around. Check
Very
your
good,
shoulders.
very good.
Happy days. We're doing a good job.
Excellent, Jimmy. Thank you. Fair play, thank you.
No.
I like getting them cracks.
Cool.
Excellent job.
No problem. We'll make them a full body. It's anyone, again, go to see me, go below my profile, guys. Thank you and see you in the next video. Alan, thank you very much again.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Jimmy.